Oh my God.
I can't tell, but it's just rip and drag. What is up, guys, and welcome back. I have been insanely busy lately because I got some big news for you guys. Some really big news. We just bought our first house ever. Neither one of us has ever owned our own house. We've both always lived in apartments, Faith and I. It's actually been a lot of work. We're nowhere near done yet. I can't even show you the inside yet because we just got everything torn up. We're redoing everything. Had to rip up all the carpet, put in a new floor, had to paint everything. The subfloor was disgusting, but for the most part, it's a really solid, really good house. We've actually been trying to buy this place for like 2.5, 3 months. I don't even know. If we first looked at it like back in November, and it took forever to get the mortgage to go through. Finally got to go through about, I don't know, 3 weeks ago, maybe 2 weeks ago. I don't even know. My days are like all like jammed together because of all the work we've been doing and stuff. But I finally have a place that is mine. Like, landlords can't tell me nothing. This is mine. We're not too far away from other houses, but it's on a pretty big lot. And I haven't even seen my neighbors yet. Like, I haven't even seen them. Finally got a full-size garage too, which I'm super excited about that. Finally, I'm gonna have room for all of my fishing stuff. There's a finished basement. There's a bar down in the basement. I can't wait to show you guys that, but that'll be in a later video once everything's done on the inside. And also, there's a finished room downstairs that I'm just gonna put all of my tackle in, make it look like a bait shop pretty much. It's gonna be freaking sick. I'm just so excited to finally have room for all my kayaks, all my boats, all my tackle. Been living in a little 1-bedroom apartment. Like, it's like 600 square feet. This house is like over 2,100 square feet, so more than enough room for me and Faith. One thing that I'm kind of on the fence about is how big the freaking yard is. Like, I'm pumped that I have a big yard, but at the same time, I'm realizing that I'm gonna have to mow all of this. It's probably gonna take me a couple days, unless I get a riding mower. Then it's probably gonna take me a full day. I'll see the front yard isn't that bad. I mean, it's just up there, up and around the front. Not too bad. But come check us out back here. Okay, yeah, so the backyard is freaking huge. Like, huge. Okay, you can't even see. There's a fence all the way down there. I own all the way down to that fence. Pretty dang far. I mean, I don't know how many yards that is. It's like 50 or 60. And then I own all the way down there, past all those trees and stuff, there's a fence. And then all the way up to that stump, all the way back over in that corner. And then from there, all the way up, like, to the driveway, all the way up the top of the hill there. So yeah, I don't know what that looks like on camera, but I mean, it's pretty dang big. About the size of a football field, but it's slanted. Yeah, it's just gonna be a lot of mowing. Probably gonna have to buy a riding mower. I don't know. The push mower, that's gonna suck. I'm probably gonna have to push mow it the first couple times. Luckily, it's winter right now, so the grass isn't really growing, but in a couple months, when we have to mow this. That's a flat area right here. I guess was for a swimming pool they were gonna put in. I might try to put a big old pond in here. I mean, I could fit like a 1/4 acre, 1/2 acre pond, because there's more than an acre here. So I don't know. I don't know what I have to do to go through that. Like, we're technically outside of city limits, but we're not that far out. So I have no idea. I'm gonna look into that. Be dope to have a pond in my backyard. That might be happening. But yeah, guys, I have been super busy. Haven't really been able to fish much over the last couple weeks, and it's probably gonna be like that for the next couple weeks while I get everything done. We still got stuff in the apartment we gotta move over. Luckily, the apartment's only like a mile and a half away, but it's still been a lot of work. I also have some more news for you guys. Found out a while ago now that Faith's pregnant. We're gonna be having a little daughter, which when I found out she was pregnant, I was wanting a son, but I don't know, maybe having a daughter is gonna be cool too. I'm still gonna take her fishing. So yeah, big things happening, big life changes happening in my life right now, and things have been a little hectic. I've pretty much decided, because, you know, buying the new house, having the baby coming, she's due in like July 15th, I believe. I'm probably not gonna be taking a lot of big trips this year, which I'm a little bummed out about, but I'm gonna be fishing a lot more locally and taking a lot of smaller trips. I still have at least 2 big trips planned, so it's still gonna be a fun year. That's gonna be a crazy fun year, and it's gonna be super hectic though. But I am more than stoked. But I just wanted to give you guys a little update on my life and what's going on and why I haven't been posting as many videos, haven't been fishing as much. Hopefully here in a couple weeks I'm gonna get back to the grind. But yeah, it's really all I have for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, please smash the subscribe button, hit the like button, and I'll see you next time.